सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. So now, what are rights? Rights are reasonable claims that are recognized by society और जो स्टेट द्वारा इन्फोर्स किए जाते हैं. Now, rights in the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution guarantees various types of rights to ensure liberty, equality, fraternity, and justice amongst all its citizens. Now, it comes with its key features, which says rights are not absolute. Rights के साथ साथ there are few restrictions. When we say we have this particular right, it comes along with few restrictions which a citizen needs to follow in society. Other than that, our constitution gives us 6 fundamental rights in part 3, article 12 to 35 और ये है justiciable. First is right to equality, article 14 to 18. This means सभी लोग equal हैं law के सामने. Article 14 says equality before law, article 15 prohibits discrimination और article 17 abolishes untouchability. Second is right to freedom. Article 19 to 22. Article 19 gives us 6 freedoms जैसे कि speech, movements और assembly. Article 21 is super important, which is right to life and personal liberty. यह सबसे fundamental right है. Third is right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24. This protects against human trafficking or child labor. Fourth is right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28. India is secular, तो आप any religion को follow कर सकते हैं. Fifth is cultural and educational rights. Article 29 and 30. This protects minorities की languages और culture. Sixth and most important is right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called it heart and soul of constitution, as this is the right which protects our all above rights. Through Article 32, you can directly approach Supreme Court अगर आपके rights violate हों तो. Supreme Court can issue 5 types of writs mentioned above. Now let's talk about Directive Principles Part 4, Article 36 to 51. यह है non-justicable. Non-justicable means you cannot go for these to the court, लेकिन ये government के लिए guideline है. Finally, we have fundamental